Hi guys, today I'll show you how to factory reset Windows 11. Sometimes your PC becomes slow, buggy, infected with malware, or you just want to clean everything and start fresh. A factory reset can help in all these cases. But before you reset your PC, remember one important thing. A factory reset can remove your apps, settings, and personal files depending on the option you choose. So before doing this, back up your important files like documents, photos, videos, and work files. Now let's see how to reset Windows 11 step by step. Method 1. Factory reset Windows 11 from settings. Use this method if your PC is still working and you can open Windows normally. First, open Settings, click System. Now click Recovery. Under Recovery options, you will see Reset this PC. Click Reset PC. Now Windows will ask you to choose between two options. The first option is Keep My Files. Choose this if you want to reinstall Windows but keep your personal files. Your apps and settings will be removed, but files like documents, photos, and downloads will stay. The second option is Remove Everything. Choose this if you want to completely clean your PC. This removes your personal files, apps, and settings. If you are selling your laptop or giving it to someone else, choose Remove Everything. Now Windows will ask how you want to reinstall Windows. You will see two options. The first one is Cloud Download. This downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft. Use this if your Windows files are damaged or your PC has serious issues. The second one is Local Reinstall. This uses the Windows files already present on your PC. Use this if your internet is slow and Windows is still working normally. After choosing the option, review the settings. Then click Reset. Now wait for Windows to complete the reset. Your PC may restart several times. The screen may also stay black for some time. Don't turn off your PC during this process. Method 2. Factory reset Windows 11 from the sign in screen. Use this method if Windows opens but you cannot sign in properly. On the sign in screen, hold the Shift key. While holding Shift, click the power icon. Now click Restart. Your PC will open the recovery screen. Click Troubleshoot. Now click Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files if you want to keep your personal files. Choose Remove Everything if you want a full reset. Then choose Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will now start the reset process. That's it. This is how you can factory reset Windows 11 and start fresh.